Curious how AirTreks works? It's simple. Enter your route on Trip Planner and get instant pricing for any route in either economy or business class. If you want to travel by land instead of fly between some destinations, click the plane icon to swap it for a bus. Click Bring Your Trip to Life to send your trip over to one of our expert travel planners. They'll walk you through the details of your trip and optimize it for the ultimate ease of travel. When you're happy with the flights, we'll issue all of your tickets and send them to you in a single convenient page. Post-departure travel insurance is complimentary with every ticket package. Plus, if you have trouble when you're on the road, we're available to help you out 24/7. If you can dream it, we can help make it a reality. We help thousands of people travel around the world every year. We can't wait to work with you.